everyone, Sparkle Sprinkler here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Y'all, this is part 2 of this huge special shape diamond painting haul that I've made. Okay, it's a huge order. It's going to take us months to get through this, but my binders will be filled up and ready for retirement when we're done. So okay, this one was $4.90, and I've got 1, 2, 3 price matches on it. You get a standard toolkit with it. Zoom you down. For some reason, we've got a big glare on this morning. See if when I get the cover sheet smoothed out, see if it's any better. If not, I'll try to adjust our lighting. Yeah, I have no natural light because it's early, so I'm having to rely on overheads. Yeah, let me see if I can turn this down a little bit. Okay, this one has 8 colors in it. Look how sweet this is, y'all. Oh my goodness. These are bagged up for us. Okay, these, if you know, you know. I don't put these on my diamond paintings. There is a video of a turkey. It was back around Thanksgiving. It's up in the top left corner of the thumbnail. Go to that video. It's in the playlist. And scroll to the turkey off canvas. And I show you what I replace these with and where I buy them from. They put the pink rounds in the turkey's tail feathers. And I show you where I replace those with. These are pink marquise. These are those pink rounds. Let's turn this light back up, y'all. I'm not picking up very good. Lime green, turquoise, yellow, pink, and clear. I do not like putting that plastic. All these beautiful diamonds, and they put that plastic on there. I don't like them. So I replaced them, and they're very cheap where I buy them from, y'all. You can get 100, I think it's like 150, 200 of them for just a couple of bucks. They got all different colors. $4.90 on this one. Then this one was $6.47. I've got 4 price matches on it. Look how pretty that is. Standard toolkit. This cover sheet is a wreck. I will trim it up because when I get ready to put it in my binder, it's going to not let it fit in there good. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this up now. Go ahead and get that extra off of this. Look how pretty that is, y'all. 16 colors. Oh, wow. Okay. This has a lot of diamonds in it, y'all. This bags are thick. This has a ton of diamonds in it. Wow. Light yellow, clear, black, red. That is a light champagne, pink, yellow, gray, green, another pink, a darker pink. This is a, let me look back at this. This one is not clear. It is a light gray. Yellow, lemon, yellow, pink marquee, and then you get little bitty tiny clear stars. Look at that. Oh goodness, y'all. This diamond bags are thick. Tons of colors in this. $6.47. Okay. Then we have this one. Get this sheet put back with that one. Okay, this one was $3.84 and I got one price match on it. Look how sweet this is. Alright, this is a thicker canvas. Y'all, still fighting allergies. It just needs to settle down. Okay, 8 colors in this one. Look how sweet that is. Love it, y'all. I just love special shade diamond paintings. They are just my jam. I love them. Clear, pink, dark pink, lime green. That is a dark pink marquee. A AB coated green marquee. These are red rounds with AB coating, and these are your flowers. They are AB coated. Look how pretty those are. They will be going all of these areas through here. Okay. I will put those on my canvas. I don't mind the flowers being plastic. $3.84 for this one. Then we have this one that was $6.09, and I got 4 price matches on it. The bag it comes in is kind of messed up. This is a 30 by 40, y'all. And it has 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors in it. I need a spatula for this one. I'm finding it harder and harder to find 30 by 40s. I used to see them all the time. Now it's mostly 30 by 30s. Not very often I see these anymore. Let me send this all the way out. There we go. Look how pretty this is, y'all. Oh my goodness. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors. How beautiful is that? Okay. Okay, we have it's a light pinkish red, pink, champagne, green, very thick bag of green. That is a dark champagne. That is a gray, yellow, lemon, light gray, black, green marquee, pink marquee, red teardrop with the AB coating, and you get more flowers with this one as well. It's going to be beautiful, y'all. Let's see if I can get this folded up the way they had it. There we go. $6.09 for this one. All right, then the last one was $4.72, and I got 5 price matches on this one. Look at the hot mess around me, y'all. Goodness. Okay, 8 colors in this one. Let me get this to zoom in a little bit better for us. There we go. Now then it's clear. That's a little too much. Okay, 8 colors in this one. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at her wings. Y'all, I just love these. This is where my diamond painting journey began, was with those special shapes. And they just have my heart. Yeah, I enjoyed my bigger diamond paintings, but these, they saved me for a couple of years there when I couldn't work on the bigger diamond paintings. Pink, it's a turquoise. That is a dark gray, clear, yellow rounds. Pretty thick bag of pink marquees. Yellow marquees with AB coating. And green marquee with AB coating. Y'all, it's going to be beautiful. Okay, $4.72 on this. Let's get a closer look at these. Look at that, y'all. There's diamonds up in here as well. How pretty is this? Let me see if I can get this to focus a little better for us. Yeah. How pretty is this going to be? Oh my goodness, I love her wings. They're gorgeous. Okay, then this one, that one was $4.72 on the owl. Then this one was $6.09. How pretty is this? Y'all have a Kudel's that I need to unbox that has kind of like that background. It's beautiful. I'm hoping it turns out well. It's another square. I bought it before I got the parrots. I'm hoping the diamonds are okay. I'm going to have to really shake those out and check them. Isn't this pretty? I love it. $6.09 on that one. Then we have this one that was $3.84. Sweet little kitty. Anywhere you see these, that's where your roses will go. How pretty is this? Her eyes are so sweet. Then this one has the tons of diamonds in it. $6.47 on this one. Isn't it pretty? Love it. And then we have the house with the kittens. And it was $4.90. Beautiful. Okay, y'all, the product numbers will be in the description. If they don't work and you're wanting something, you know, one of these in particular, leave me a comment and tell me which one. And I will go to my order and double check and make sure that it's not out of stock. If it is out of stock, then we'll just try to find it somewhere else. Or, you know, if it's discontinued, we'll really need to try to find it somewhere else. Or we just wait and see if it comes into stock. But a lot of times these numbers just are not searchable. For whatever reason, Temu won't let you search them, even though they are Temu numbers. I can leave you a link directly in the comment to the diamond painting that you're wanting, okay? We're going to have these every other day going forward. As I fill up my binders, I will pull, once it's full, I will just turn on the camera and start filming it. And then I'll put it up on my shelf. And that's just how we're going to roll until we're finished with these, y'all. It's going to be months before we're finished with all these things. All right, that is going to be it. Y'all take care, and I will see you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.